अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, लेट्स ट्रेन लेग्स टुडे। उससे भी ज़रूरी काम है प्री वर्कआउट लेना, विच इज़ मगरिब नमाज बिफोर द वर्कआउट। सो लेट्स गो मगरिब नमाज एंड गेट स्टार्टेड। अल्लाह से सजदे में दुआ मांगा जाए कि या अल्लाह आज मुझे मेरे वर्कआउट के लिए ताकत अता फरमा। स्टार्टिंग विद वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेस, एज आई कुड सी पीपल आर डायरेक्टली गेटिंग इनटू द जिम, रनिंग टुवर्ड्स वेट एंड स्टार्टिंग टू लिफ्ट देम, विच इज़ अ वेरी बैड थिंग टू डू एट द स्टार्ट। थोड़ा भाई लोगों ने पूछू तो कि मैं कયું प्री वर्कआउट यूज करूँ छू। आई यूज मैक्सन ब्रांड्स प्री वर्कआउट। इफ यू वांट टू ऑर्डर दिस प्री वर्कआउट, यूज दिस कोड MAXN35, you can get 40%, which is half of the total amount, so go get it now. I start my leg workout with Smith machine back squat। भाई वजन उतना ही डालो जितना आप मार सको। कोई लड़की लड़के को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए तो वजन बिल्कुल ही ज्यादा मत मारो। अल्टीमेटली you're working out for yourself, not for others, so hit and target the right muscle you're training with the right amount of weight and with the right intention. You can go with 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If you're trying to train genuinely hard for yourself, make sure you ask somebody to stand behind you, because it is very important that you take care of your safety by wearing a belt, kneecap and asking somebody to stand. अब मुझे देख के please don't assume that you can train like this as well, because I have been consistently training for past 3 years now, and also if I try to lift heavy, I do it under complete guidance. मैं किसी को दिखाने के लिए जिम विम करता ही नहीं हूँ। I do it for myself and for my goals. Along with me, I also train 2 other people in my gym, helping them achieve their fitness goals. If you are also somebody who is looking for any training program or diet, you can feel free to reach out to me. I will be very happy to help you out. Moving on to the second workout, which is the leg press, doing it for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps till failure. The third workout is the leg extension. Leg extension is an isolation movement and also one of the most important movement during our leg workout, so please never try to skip it. Do this for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. हर वर्कआउट में अपनी जान डालो। Train with intention. If you are able to train it, train for yourself and train intentionally for your goals and for yourself. Moving on to the fourth workout, which is sumo squats for inner thighs, which is also one of the most important workout. Do it for 12 to 15 reps and achieve failure in every set. Also, if you're not able to achieve the number of reps that you target for, please reduce the weights and complete the reps. The final workout is calf raises. Do this for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps and that's all. Your leg workout is over, but the real discipline starts out of the gym, which is eating clean and completing your protein intake. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Dua Mayad.